Welcome to Chalkboards to Cash Flow, the podcast for educators and everyday professionals who want to build wealth through real estate without quitting their day job. I'm your host, Michelle, a full-time teacher who started investing in real estate to create more freedom, more security, and a better future for my family. If you've ever felt like your paycheck isn't enough or wondered if someone like you could really invest in property, this show is for you. Each week, we break down real stories, practical tips, and strategies to help you take that first step, even if you're starting small. Let's build something better together. Hello, and welcome back to Chalkboards to Cash Flow. I'm here today on this rainy Sunday to share some more info with you. This episode is titled, I Thought I'd Missed the Boat, Investing Later in Life as an Educator. It's never too late to start, even in your 40s, 50s, or 60s. Have you ever thought, it's too late for me to start investing? I did. Maybe you're in your 40s, 50s, or even 60s, and real estate feels like something you should have done in your 20s. Well, I'm here to tell you it's not too late. You didn't miss the boat, and this episode is especially for you. I started over at age 44 with no rental properties, divorce, barely anything saved, and a public school teacher's salary. If I can build from there, so can you. Many teachers stay in the system for 25 to 30 years thinking their pension will be enough. But with inflation, rising living costs, and changes to retirement benefits, that may no longer be true. I talk to teachers all the time who feel stuck, like they should have started investing earlier, and now it's too late. You might feel like you're playing catch-up. You might think you missed your chance, but I promise it's not over. Here's the good news. Educators who start investing in their 40s, 50s, or 60s often bring stability, discipline, better credit, access to home equity, and retirement account options. You might not have 30 years of compounding interest on your investments, but you do have tools, experience, and resources that younger investors don't. Here are some examples. You could use your 403B to buy a rental. You could house hack later in life once your kids have moved out, or you can buy with your adult children as partners. Here are 3 practical ways to get started today, even if you feel like it's late in the game. 1 is tap into your home equity. Use a HELOC or cash out refinance. So for this option, you must own your own home, and you can turn that equity or HELOC into a down payment. Number 2, you can leverage your 403B like I did. Explore a self-directed IRA to invest in real estate. So you can transfer that 403B into something else or take the money out and just pay the fines. Talk to a financial advisor before withdrawing anything. Number 3, you can partner with others. You can team up with your kids, friends, or other teachers or educators. You bring credit and experience, they bring energy or capital. Consider easy-to-manage assets like long-term rentals or triple net leases that don't require a whole lot of time. I know what it feels like to start over. At 44, I did. It would have been easy to say, I missed my chance, but I decided to take one small step. That first property changed everything, not overnight, but over time. Now I'm helping other educators do the same. So remember, it's not too late. You have options and you're not behind. You're just getting started. If you're in your 40s, 50s, or beyond, you have more tools than you think. If this episode gave you hope or a fresh perspective, here's what I want you to do next. DM me on Instagram at Chalkboards to Cash Flow. Join my Facebook group, Chalkboards to Cash Flow. And if you're 40 plus and just starting out, shoot me a message. Remember, it's never too late to build the life you want. Bye. Enjoy your day. Thanks for listening to Chalkboards to Cash Flow, where we turn real estate dreams into real-life wins for teachers and everyday investors. If this episode helped you feel a little more confident or inspired, make sure to follow, leave a review, and share with a friend. And don't forget to join our free Facebook group, Chalkboards to Cash Flow, where we support each other every step of the way. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing. And remember, you don't need to be rich to start. You just need to start.